Switch off the speaker, children. Switch off the speakers.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. See, those who think that someone coming. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, did you start the class?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, did you start the class?
No. 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 I'm going to start.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to start. So many have to come. 26 only came. Okay. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Okay, nobody is entering. Why? Maybe problem with net connections. Raining. Raining heavily here.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it raining there?
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Heavy rain here.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Here
Okay.
also.
Here also.
Here
Uh-huh.
also.
Okay. Okay, did you get the answer, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is the answer?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
negative 113.
Hmm?
Negative 113.
Negative 85.
Degree.
Negative 85.
Negative 85.
No mass answering. I'll ask.
Ma'am, negative 85.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
we'll do it. We'll do it. Okay.
Ma'am.
Again, yes.
Ma'am, last class I was not there.
Okay. Those who are there only I'm asking. I have given a problem. Just check it. What was the problem? Can you tell me? What was the problem?
Negative 82
Nobody.
plus negative 20 minus
Minus
negative
negative
14
14
plus
plus
positive 3.
3.
Okay. So what was the answer you got?
Negative 85.
85.
You have to once more. You have to tell me the problem which I have given. Okay. Once more.
Ma'am, negative 82 plus
Negative 82
negative
plus
plus negative 20
20
minus negative 14
then
plus positive 3.
plus positive 3. Okay. What did you get the answer?
Negative 85.
85.
Negative 85. Let me see, listen. Last time I think we have done this problem, no?
No, ma'am, we
No,
didn't
no.
done. You gave
Okay.
us. You told that we'll do it next
We'll do
class.
it. We'll do it. So, children, I think everybody came. 36 are there. I'm going
44
to start. See the board. Board. Wait a minute. Can you see the board, children?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you add this? No, ma'am. Can you add this?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sankita ma'am. Sankita ma'am.
Wait, let she come.
Someone
Her
is in
power
the
has lost.
list.
Yeah, because it's raining.
Her net is unstable.
Google Krishna is the host now.
Google is the host. And do you have raining there?
Everybody be quiet. Let ma'am come.
Just recording, okay?
It's recording.
Can I add?
Gokul. Will be sent in YouTube, okay?
പോയി മാമിന്റെ നെറ്റ് തീർന്നു മാം ഇപ്പൊ വരുള്ളൂ.
Actually, mute your audio and talk.
Everyone mute your audio.
Can I add?
If you want, you add.
Yes, can you see me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Now we'll write the problem, what we have discussed. Okay. Okay. So it is, I think it's negative 82
Plus negative 20
plus negative 20
minus negative 14
minus negative 14
plus
Yes,
positive 3.
Plus positive 3.
plus positive 3.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll check what is negative. No. Okay. First we will change. Plus negative 20. Now minus. Both are minus. So we will make it plus. 14.
Ma'am,
Isn't it?
ma'am,
Yes.
it's plus. Okay.
Plus. When
Yeah.
two negatives come, you can make it plus. That means change the sign and add. That's all.
Okay.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
we thought the first two numbers, I thought you interchanged it.
No,
The sign.
you cannot interchange. It is okay, no problem if you interchange. Both are negative and addition sign is there. Better don't interchange, okay? Don't interchange in the case of integers. It will create a problem sometimes. Okay.
No, ma'am,
Now,
we didn't do. I thought we thought you done that.
which one?
Nothing, ma'am. It was our mistake.
Okay, let us do it. Okay, so first add all the negative numbers. Negative 82 plus minus 20. What is the answer you are getting?
Negative 102.
Negative 102. Now take the positive integers. Positive 14 and positive 3. What is the answer you are getting?
Positive 17.
Positive 17. Okay. Now you have to find the difference, isn't it? You have to find the difference. What is the difference you will get? So write it. Steps you
Negative 85.
plus 17, isn't it? 102
Negative 85.
Negative
negative
85.
85.
yeah. Negative
85.
85.
So you will get negative 85 as the answer. Understood?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
You,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
don't only stick on to the rules. You will not go wrong. Okay? You have to stick on to the rules. Only follow the rules, then you will not find any difficulty. Okay. Next problem. One more problem you do. You will not be clear otherwise. We'll see. Negative, do it yourself. Negative 15 plus 16 minus positive 23 and plus 9. Do it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
16 is positive.
16 is positive. Positive, see, plus 16. And I told you, a number without any sign, you can take it as positive number. Okay. If a number is written
Last one
simply,
is 9, right?
6. Last one is positive 9 because plus without sign means it is positive number. Simply if you write a number, it is positive. Okay. So find out the answer.
I will.
ചേച്ചി
Find out yourself, okay?
ആൻഡ്
Do it
അമ്മ
yourself.
അപ്പുറത്താണ് ഞാനിവിടെ
Hey,
ക്ലാസ്സിലാണ്
don't speak.
എന്റെ കയ്യിലാ.
Switch off the speakers. Switch off the speakers.
ഹലോ
Hello. Yes, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, is guys talking in phone.
Yes?
Ma'am, she's talking in phone.
Switch off the speakers. Switch off the speakers.
13
Negative?
13
Yes, I can't see you. Who is it answering?
Pranav.
Pranav. Very good, very good. Okay, correct.
I'm negative 13.
Negative 13. Very good. So you understood what to do, how to do,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it? All of you
ma'am.
understood? All of you understood how to do it,
Yes,
right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, what is the answer? We'll see the what is the answer. Now, change it. 15 plus 16. Now this one subtract. So change the sign and add, isn't it? See, change the sign and add. So what is the sign? Minus 23 we'll write and add. Then plus 9, positive 9. No need to write again positive there. Now collect all the negative numbers and what is the answer?
Negative 13.
Negative?
13.
Both are negative.
38.
Both are negative now. So you have to add and put negative sign.
Negative sign.
Okay. Then next one is 16 and 9. Isn't it? Positive
Positive
16.
25.
Answer is
Positive
positive
25.
25. Now you have to find the difference and put the sign of the greater number. Isn't it? Okay. So what will you
Negative
get?
38 plus positive 25.
So you will get negative 13.
13.
Yeah. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So shall we pass on to word problems?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? We'll pass
Ma'am,
on.
Aditya is calling you.
Why?
Ma'am.
Adityan, what happened?
I am not getting the correct answer.
What happened? Where is your doubt? Tell me. Which point you went wrong? Hmm.
I don't know where to put positive and negative.
Hmm? Tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know to put where to put positive and negative.
Where to put positive and negative sign? Means which step did you go wrong? Is it the second, this step?
Yes,
Is it that
ma'am.
step? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
There, first number, no change, put it as such. Okay. Second number, you see it is positive. If it is positive, you can take down. Now, this one you see, it is subtraction, right? It's not addition, it is subtraction. So, you have to change the sign and add. Okay, that is what is done here. Did you understand? Change the sign. I have changed the sign to negative. Okay, then I have added. Clear now?
Yes.
Then here nothing, no change. It is plus 9. That same thing I have written. When subtraction comes only, you have to change the sign and add. Otherwise, you can take it down. Understood, children? Take it down in the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now your doubt is clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Anywhere else? Anywhere else? Any other step you have doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Good. Now we will pass on to the word problems, okay? 2-3 word problems we can do today. Okay, some are waiting. Can do it. Now. You have the rough book with you, no? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down the. I think this problem
Yes,
did we
ma'am.
do in the did we do in this class? In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That problem we have done, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now take down another question. At Srinagar, that one I think it is not done. Huh?
No, ma'am.
Right.
Only
Okay.
one is done.
Yes. Write down the question. At Srinagar, these things you have to write in the note. Okay. And the problems done today. You have to write in the note because all these things I cannot give in WhatsApp. At Srinagar, the temperature was -5 degrees centigrade on Monday.
-5 degree.
Centigrade C. -5 degree C you put centigrade. -5 degrees centigrade on Monday. Monday. Yes.
This word problem you wanted to write in the note.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you take down in rough book. You have to write fast. At Srinagar, the temperature was -5 degree on centigrade on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. It dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar? What was the temperature of Srinagar? I'll read once more. I'll read. Okay. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
It's not completed. Question is not completed. So till now I said at Srinagar the temperature was -5 degrees centigrade on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. Okay. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? That's what I have told. Now on Wednesday, right? On Wednesday, it rose by ROSE. It rose by means increased. It rose by 4 degrees centigrade. 4 degrees centigrade. It rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? What was the temperature on this day?
Ma'am, what was the temperature on Thursday?
No, okay, you can take it as, no, temperature on Wednesday, this day. You cannot calculate Thursday's temperature. It is said about Wednesday. So what is it? On this day, THIS, this day. Can you think and answer? On this day.
10 degrees.
Ma'am, can you repeat the last point?
10 degree.
Okay. Once more, I'll say the question. At Srinagar, the temperature was -5 degrees centigrade on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? Okay, find out.
-11.
No,
7 degree, -7.
that is on which day?
Ma'am, -7 on Wednesday. -7.
No,
Wednesday.
Wednesday, it's not -7.
Ma'am, 10 degree.
No. See, when it is dropped, you have to take it as a negative number. Okay. You know that, no?
Ma'am, -10.
Ma'am, Tuesday -7.
Correct.
Ma'am, Tuesday -7.
-7. Good. Tuesday -7 is the correct answer. Tuesday -7. Then what happened on Wednesday? What is the temperature?
Three, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, negative 3 degrees Celsius. Ma'am,
Who got? Yes.
Negative 3 degrees
Who
Celsius.
got a negative 3 centigrade? Huh?
Ma'am, ma'am, last one.
Ma'am, negative 3.
Who said negative 3 centigrade?
Last
Negative
one.
3.
Sriram. Correct
Ma'am,
answer.
Negative 3.
Negative 3 degrees centigrade is the correct answer. First one, negative 7. Then next one is negative.
Negative 3.
Explain how it is. First, see, read the question. See this Tanmay, Nelvin, Prajita, no video. I cannot see your face. Switch on your videos. You cannot switch off the video. Switch on the video. I'm checking everyone here. Okay. I can see everyone on the board. Are you doing or not? I can check. Alvin. Alvin, switch on the video.
I win. Can you hear me?
Okay. I will explain the answer. Who is
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Ah, yes, I can hear you. Who is speaking? Abhinand? Tanmay. All of you switch on the video. I cannot see you otherwise. I want to see whether everybody is doing or not. Abhinand Krishna, switch on the video. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Let us, Abhinand Krishna Ajish, switch on the video. Now you see, we'll see to that problem. It is at Srinagar, the temperature was negative 5 degrees centigrade on Monday. And then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. Dropped by means, what we will do? Huh? Dropped by means what is temperature?
minus.
Dropped by means it has decreased.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Lost or decreased, isn't it?
Decrease, loss.
So we have to take that number as negative. Okay. So previous day, that is Monday, what was the temperature? Negative 5 degrees.
5 degree.
So negative 5 degrees centigrade. Then what was the temperature next day? It has been reduced and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade. So what is the next day's temperature? Dropped by 2 degrees centigrade. Isn't it? That means
Yes.
minus 2 have added. Clear? So
Yes.
what is the answer? It's negative 7
Negative 7.
degrees. 7.
Negative 7.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell
ma'am,
me.
is I saying to let in?
Yeah. So answer is negative 7 degrees centigrade. So you have to write the step like temperature on Tuesday. Step is
Sangeeta ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, is I saying to let her in?
Ah yes, I have done.
Okay.
Temperature on Tuesday. Monday was negative 5 degrees centigrade. Then it dropped by negative 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. So temperature on Tuesday will be negative 7 degrees centigrade. Now next one is increase in temperature. What is the increase in temperature? Increase in
4 degrees.
temperature.
4 degrees
4
Celsius.
Increase in temperature 4 degree.
4 degrees.
Okay, so that is what for positive 4. Positive 4. So negative 7, what is the temperature? Next step, the temperature.
Ma'am, we
on-
have to difference.
Right,
We have to
right.
find the difference.
You have to write this. So increase in temperature 4 degrees centigrade. Then last step is temperature on Wednesday. Temperature on Wednesday. On Wednesday. Wednesday, that is equal to this negative 7 plus positive 4. Isn't it? Huh? It
Yes.
has increased.
Yes,
Positive.
yes.
So find the difference and put the sign of the greater number. So we'll get negative 3 degrees centigrade. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we'll do. Okay. Another problem.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, don't rub.
Don't rub. Okay. I'm not rubbing.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
I didn't say anything. Now did you hear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Emelina Rose. Are you smiling? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you doing the problem, Emelina?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, I
No?
finished.
Finished. Okay, very good, very good.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Huh? Who?
Pranav.
Pranav, what happened? Maybe some problem with its
Ma'am, I can't
volume.
hear you.
All others can hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Adityan is calling you.
Why? Adityan, what is the problem?
all right. Without sign that is positive.
Yeah.
Then the
Yes.
Mondays drop the temperature 2 degree, right?
Yes.
That is positive, right?
See, Monday's temperature 2 degrees centigrade it is given by 2 degrees
that
centigrade.
2.5.
Okay, see, listen, by it, that by is important there. Dropped by 2 degrees centigrade. So that number you have to take it as negative. Dropped by. So you have studied in 6th standard, no? Like loss. Loss means we'll take that number as negative. Then when you go down, like under the submarine, under the sea level, we take it as negative number. Like that. Did you have you
Okay, ma'am.
studied? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So temperature when it is coming down, we take the number as negative. Okay. And
Okay,
add it
ma'am.
with the number. That is what is done. Okay. Then can I rub? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Angelina,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now we'll do another problem. We can do one more problem. See, switch off the speakers, children. Your whatever noise is coming, I can hear. Whenever you want to answer, only switch on and enter. Otherwise, switch off the speakers. Next one. Rita goes 20 kilometer. Rita goes 20. Rita, we call it RITA. To specify the spelling only, I call that Rita. Okay, RITA. Rita goes 20 kilometer. Towards east. From a point A. To B. A to B.
Ma'am, towards east.
From a point A to B. A to B. She moves 30 kilometer towards. She moves 30 kilometer towards the west. Along the same road.
Ma'am,
Yes.
around the same road.
Along, A-L-O-N-G, along. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Along the same road. Next, if the distance east is distance towards east, that's the meaning. Distance east is represented by,
Ma'am, the distance.
if the distance towards east, if the distance towards east is represented by, distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent?
Represent.
Distance traveled towards west. Distance traveled towards represent distance traveled
What's west?
distance traveled towards west. One more question is there. By which integer
And we need to leave gap.
by which integer will you represent?
Ma'am, same question.
Same question. By which integer will you represent?
Present.
By which integer will you represent? Her final position from A. Okay. So how will you do it? Think. Once more, I'll read the question completely. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to B. She moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? That is the question. Can you think and tell me? Yes, think.
Can I ask you one doubt?
Yes.
Positive 20 and positive 20 plus positive 30.
Okay. No, what is the distance from A to B?
Is positive 20 and 30.
First question was, how will you represent distance traveled towards west?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you represent distance traveled towards west?
Positive 30.
See, we are taking towards the east, we are taking as positive number. Okay. She moves 30 kilometers towards west. That means first she rose 20 kilometers towards east from a point that we are taking as positive. So east is positive, west is what? Negative. Okay. So if east we are taking as positive, west we will take as negative. So accordingly you have to do. I'll draw the figure, the line, then you will understand. Look, suppose, what is the first sentence? Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to B. So we will draw a line like this. Okay. Now she is moving towards the east. And A to B. A to B she is moving. I'll extend the line once more. Little more.
Ma'am,
Yes, 1 minute. Yes.
negative 10 kilometers.
We'll see. Use the board. Okay.
I can't see the body.
Okay. Now look. So A to B, she is traveling. How much distance she is traveling with the board?
20 kilometers. 20 kilometers.
Okay. So A to B, it is 20 kilometers, isn't it? Positive 20 kilometers she is traveling. 20 kilometers towards the east, A to B. She moves 30 kilometers towards the west along the same road. So she reached here.
And she go back.
She go back. I'll finish it now.
Again 30 kilometers.
Eat. Okay.
Again she move back.
She moves like this,
kilometers.
and then again she will go like this. 10 kilo. How much kilometer? 30. Total 30 she is doing. So
10 kilometers
around the 10 kilometers, isn't it? So from A to C. Next point is C. So total how much she is traveling? It is negative
30.
See, from here, when you travel like this, you have to take it as negative, opposite direction.
Negative
Okay. So what is the distance she is traveling extra?
negative 10 kilometers.
Negative 10.
kilometers.
The time is up, so I'll just distance.
Distance traveled by her.
Yeah, A to B is equal to positive 20.
20.
And, A to B positive 20. Then what was the question asked? It was asked last question. Distance moved towards the west, isn't it? Distance moved towards the west.
30 kilometers.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so in the notes we should draw this line.
Yeah. You have to draw the line. Negative, isn't it? Negative 30. We told that. Negative 30. Why? Because opposite direction we are taking as negative. Distance moved towards the west is negative 30 kilometer. Now, what is the question? Portion from A. From A, how much kilometer she have traveled? Distance from A. Distance moved from A. A. So what is it? What we have to do?
Negative 10.
Yeah. Answer.
10 degree.
So
Negative.
positive 20 plus minus 30, isn't it? That is the total distance traveled.
Yes.
See, this much she traveled plus this again, this much she traveled. So positive 20 plus negative 30. What is the answer getting? Difference. 10.
Negative 10.
Find the
10.
difference and put the sign of the greater number. Negative 10.
Negative 10.
Okay, clear children?
Yes.
Okay, so we shall wind up today. Okay, that. What is the time given to you? 3:50.
350.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.